What's up, you guys? This is Lester Diaz, and in this video I want to talk about what some of you have asked me to cover, which is how can you make a video go viral on Facebook. And this is a question that I get a lot from people who want to know how they can get more views on Facebook, because the more views you get, the more followers that you can get for your page, and also the more money you can make if you're monetizing your Facebook views. Now, if you didn't know that you can make money with Facebook videos, you can go ahead and watch this video. It'll talk about how you can start monetizing your views on Facebook and make money from your views. So today I want to show you a very simple method that I started using months and months ago in the beginning, before I actually started using video editing software and learning a little bit more about, editing videos and things like that. I was using this page mainly because it's easy to use. It doesn't require to download any type of software, and I was able to edit videos in a matter of minutes to create viral content for my pages. And this is what basically helped me go from getting a few thousand views to just getting hundreds of thousands of views on some of my videos on Facebook. If a video goes viral on Facebook, you get more followers, you get more comments, and as a result, you're able to make more money. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a quick tutorial for you to show you how it works. And in my opinion, these are the best type of videos for Facebook, and these are called video memes. And basically is videos with text on the top or on the bottom. And usually, because a lot of people watch videos without sound on Facebook, they just keep scrolling, and usually you'll stop at one of those videos, and they'll engage and actually comment or share the video. Those videos tend to do very well on Facebook. Those are the best type of videos that you can do, and you can use it to generate more views for your videos, and at the same time help you get more followers for your page. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to create those video memes or meme videos, whatever you want to call it. If you don't have a video editing software, I'm going to show you what I'd use a long time ago. When I first got started, I was looking for a way to just create this video memes and create this content for my pages, where I could create 1-2 videos per day that would help me grow my pages. And you can definitely use this today. It still works, and if it works, you can still use this technique to create videos for your Facebook page, or even if you just want to use it for something like Instagram, you can still use it for something like that. What I've used is a page called watermark.ws, and you can sign up for a free account. I believe they let you edit or create 1 or 2 videos per day for free. If you want to create more than that, you will need to subscribe to one of their monthly memberships, which I believe it's about $20 per month. So it's not really that expensive, considering that they allow you to edit and they allow you to edit a lot of videos without you having to just download anything. You can do it all online in a matter of minutes. So I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So once you sign up, you'll be able to create some folders inside of your account. And I've actually used 2 dummy videos from CNN just to show you how quickly you can edit a video like this. So you just download a video online, whichever video you want to use. Of course, you want to make sure that you are able to use that video, and you can credit the owner if you have permission to actually use that video. So if you create your own videos, that's not going to be an issue, because you can just utilize this tool to just quickly add that text or watermark or whatever it is you want to do to that video. So I'm going to click on this video, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to use. So here's the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to create on more, and I'm going to click on the border section. So we're going to add some space on the top. I believe 15 is fine, and we're going to add on the bottom 15, and we're going to remove the side. So that's basically how that would look. So we can increase it a little bit more if you want to. Let's do that like that. And if you wanted to change the color, let's say that you wanted to make it black, so you can stand out with text or something like that, you can definitely do that, or make it any other color. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it white
just so you can see it, and then you hit apply. So the first step is done. The next step is to simply add our text. So we're just going to click on watermark, and we're going to click on text. You can see the text right here. So I'm actually going to select, let's say that I want to select black, and I'm going to change the text to something that stands out, and I think this one was going to do just fine. And so now I can just add whatever text I wanted to add to make that video stand out. I can definitely do that. So let's say for the sake of this video, as an example, I want to do something like, you won't believe what this guy said. Now we have the text, and as you can see, you can move the text around if you wanted to do that. You can also change the size of the text. You can make it bigger or smaller, and you can add some shadow if you wanted to do that. Basically, you can do this in a way, you know, I'm doing just a quick video to show you how that works, but if you wanted to do that, this will be the actual text on the top of that video. So we're just gonna skip that. We don't want to save it. So you can see, you won't believe what this guy said. So on the bottom, if you were to add a second text, you will put it right here. You simply just click on the watermark again, click add text, and do the same exact thing. If I was using someone else's video and I had permission to use their video on my page, what I would do is I would just add the credit as another watermark to the video. So I would put something like credit to XYZ. So whether that was a YouTube channel, another Facebook page, or someone specific, I would put their name, and I would just you know, put it really like small, somewhere where you can see it, and that way at the end, you know, the video is playing. So in this case, I could just put, so in this case, I could just put here CNN, and basically it would look something like this. Not only are you giving credit in your posts, on your Facebook posts, but you're also giving credit inside of your video, because if you're not using your own videos and you're using someone else's video, you want to make sure you're giving credit as many times as you can to that specific channel, person, Facebook page, whatever it is that you're using. You want to give them credit because you're not using your own videos. Once you have that text, you have to be creative. You have to find a way to make that video stand out. And pages that talked about politics and things like that, they'll take those videos, they'll edit those videos out, they'll edit the best parts of an interview or something like that, and they would just put something that grabs people's attention. And when you're scrolling on Facebook, if you like that page and you see that, that instantly grabs your attention, and you're more likely to watch that video, to like the video, and comment the video. So once you have that done, guys, all you got to do is just click on finish, and it'll take a few minutes to process, and boom, you have a video meme that now you can use on Facebook with 10 times more potential of going viral on Facebook and getting more views and helping you grow your Facebook page.
All right, so there you have it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. So if you have any questions, just comment below. I'll try to answer as many comments as I can. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week, hopefully to help you guys answer some of your questions, help you make money online and things like that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.